Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating with flowers. So come on with me, guys. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called the Flower Palooza with Indiana Jones. And I'm so excited. I think we should jump to it. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So, as in all collaborations, I always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, let me tell you what I'm doing. All right, so I just came from my stash and I decided to grab this little foam that I had left over from a previous DIY, I guess, don't even remember. Then I grabbed some flowers and I'm so glad I grabbed these because these are absolutely wonderful for the spring. So we're gonna go ahead and make a floral ball. I think this will come in really handy for spring and summer. Now I'm really starting to love all of the purple shades. It used to be I only like maybe the lavenders and the lilacs, but I pretty like all shades of purple now, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorites. Now, as you can see here, I'm not using any hot glue, and this gives me the opportunity if I want to change out the flowers to something different. So look how quick and easy this is, but there is something missing. I'll be right back. I'm thinking these white flowers will be perfect, like scattered around this ball. So that's what I'm doing. I don't think that you can ever go wrong with anything floral during the summertime. I'm sorry. And the funny part to me was they call these kissing balls, and they're just so adorable. And they also have like a vintage look to me. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and display this on one of my cupcake stands. And look how beautiful this looks. Just like that. Let's head on over to the next one. Now this tall vase here, they did sell at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure they're selling it anymore. And if you look, the top of that vase is like fluted. But nevertheless, I decorated it with that gem, the rhinestone gem that goes from top to bottom, and that's BB Craft chain. So the florals, believe it or not, came from the Dollar Tree, except for those hot pink ones. Now those white roses were in the plus section of the Dollar Tree, and then I just went ahead and accented it with some florals I already had. So we have some Walmart flowers with that pink, and then I believe I also stuck some boxwood in there. So this arrangement came out absolutely gorgeous, guys, because those roses were long stem. So I think this arrangement as well came out gorgeous, and we're gonna get ready to head on over to our next project. But isn't it nice when all the arrangements are done and we can move on to other Easter things or spring? I love it. Now this part here, this is blue chinoiserie, and it is a set. So I just grabbed one of them. I wanted the jar, and this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love it. It was a thrifted item from the Goodwill, and what a price I paid for both pieces. This is just the one. And now I decided to go ahead and decorate these with some pink florals because we are heading into spring and Easter, and I think this came out absolutely beautiful. So now I have a couple of things that are decorated that I can use in all of my tablescapes or all of my decor collaborations, and I am loving it. Let's head on over to the reveal of this particular project. Now, I am loving this Flower Palooza collaboration. It is amazing. I want to give a special thank you to Indiana Jones. And so I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.